losing weight is an uphill battle for most people. It's all too common to see someone choose a popular weight loss program, then fail. If you aren't losing weight like you feel you should be on your plan, or you are struggling to continue on the program, there may be some missing elements you aren't aware of. Enjoyable exercise. If you hate the exercise you are doing, you probably won't do it as much or as often. Find an exercise you truly enjoy to increase your chances of sticking to it. For example, if you hate walking but love swimming, joining a local pool is well worth the money. If you like cycling but live in a less than friendly climate, joining a gym so you can cycle during inclement weather is a good option. Proper nutrition. If your body is not getting proper nutrition, you are always going to be hungry. A good solution to that problem is to include weight loss shakes into your plan. They will help you eliminate calories while adding vitamins and minerals that are not at required levels in your other diet food. In fact, doctors often recommend weight loss shakes to those who have a problem losing weight on a conventional diet. Try replacing one meal a day with a shake to see how it goes. If you have a stressful job, you may want to eat a good breakfast and lunch, and drink a shake for your dinner. If you don't have time to prepare a good breakfast, use the shake to start your day. You can also find weight loss shakes for women or for men, with the blends catered to the needs of each gender. A meal plan that suits your lifestyle. Experts say that the secret to losing weight is 80% diet and only 20% exercise. You need a meal plan that suits your lifestyle so you don't end up grabbing a burger and fries when you're short on time. Choose a plan that allows you to prepare meals in advance and refrigerate or freeze them to make daily meal planning a breeze. Belief in your ability to change. No amount of low-calorie food or exercise is going to help you if you don't believe in yourself. Self-esteem issues associated with being overweight can actually derail your success, so work on your mind as well as your body. Use meditation and affirmations, and establish or join a support network that will help you feel good about even small victories. Weight loss isn't always just about calories. It's also about you, so tailor your weight loss plan to your lifestyle for a better chance at success.